Updating your legal name on Vault is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Vault account. Access your Vault account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your legal name. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you double-check the spelling and format to avoid any errors that could delay the update. Step 5. Submit required documentation. Upload any necessary documentation that verifies your name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. After uploading, submit your request for review. Once you have completed these steps, monitor your email for confirmation of the name change. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Vault's customer support for assistance.